All right, so if you're a young blacksmith and you're forging in coke or if you're burning stuff, which we haven't done today, knock on the anvil. I guess that's the saying. Um, anyway, if you're a young blacksmith, you will have to clean your fire from time to time. And oftentimes you don't want to just shut down completely and get it cold. So turn it off. This is a really good time to have a drink, go to the bathroom, call your wife, tell her how much you love her and you appreciate her supporting you while you forge. All that little stuff, but you got to kill about 3 minutes. And those 3 minutes are to allow the molten clinker to solidify in a way that you can get it out. If you try to clean your fire while it is really hot, all that molten clinker is just like hot taffy. And you just pull it through your fire, it gets all over everything. And then it becomes a problem later on when you're working because as you put your material in, clinker's sticking to it. So, and depending on the temperature, if you're in very, very cold weather, you can probably do it a little faster. Since we're doing it on video, I'm going to push the envelope, all right? You just need a straight poker, and you're going to slide into the corner of your fire pot. Now, can you see how that's lifting up in the back? So I've gotten under the edge of my clinker, and I just work back, and pull it out of the way. And a lot of times the clinker will make a nice little donut. So this has been blocking my air and it allows oxygen to get past without burning up. And if that happens, then you have a dirty fire. So that's a very simple way to clean your fire. Have yourself a bucket under your forge to put that kind of stuff in, and then just rebuild your fire and you're back in business.